Today I would like to talk about one cool Burp AI feature which is called as Explore Issue. Whenever you run any active scanner in Burp Suite and you want to verify the issues that it is being reported, you can easily use this AI feature to trace that issue in order to find out whether it is true positive or false positive. For example, my burp active scan reported one vulnerability called IDOR. So now I want to test it. I want to further exploit it. Instead of doing manual exploitation, this time I want to use AI and I want to verify this vulnerability. And the disclaimer is whenever you are using this AI feature, your credits will be reduced. So be careful while using this burp AI. So be mindful about this. Okay, so now I'm clicking on explore issue. If you see, when I click on explore issue in the dashboard, immediately it started working on it. We'll try to exploit that issue and it will give us this summary. Okay, we discovered a critical IDOR vulnerability in the feedback system that allows impersonation of other users. Okay, so in this way we can utilize this explore issue but a feature whenever we want to validate any kind of the vulnerability which is being reported by active scan. So this might be helpful in your active scan journey using Burp Suite, but be mindful that it will consume some credits from Burp AI credits. By default, for Burp Suite professional license, it will give us 10,000 credits. Okay, whenever you are using this AI features, it will consume all the credits.